Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you pair your Roku remote with your Roku device. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I recently ran into a problem where my remote control was not pairing with my Roku device. So I thought I'd make a video, show you guys how to fix it in case you come across this problem. Okay, so this is the Roku device that I have here. This should work on pretty much all the Roku devices, whether you have the stick or you have just a different one, the one that comes with a dongle or something like that. But this will work on all those Roku devices. This one here is the remote that has the headphone jack on it, and it's a little bit thicker than the other Roku device remotes. But what happens is when you slide this back door off, there's a little light indicator right there where my thumb is, and then there's a reset button here. Now, most people would just click on that reset button to try and pair their remote with it, but it didn't work for me. The light was still blinking even when I held that in for 60 seconds. So the right way to get it to pair up, and it's really magical because it just syncs all together without even pushing any buttons, is you got to take your Roku device here and unplug the power source from it. So back here, either from the wall, you can unplug it from the wall, or you can just unplug the power source here for 60 seconds. Make sure there's no power going to it. After 60 seconds, plug in the power jack again. Then, as long as this thing's blinking on the remote control, it'll automatically pair up your remote when you do it that way. So it's doing like a reset, where then it does try to discover the remote. But after it does that, it'll stop blinking, and you'll be able to use your remote just like you were when you were getting it all set up. So try that if you're having any kind of issues with getting your remote synced up there. Also, you might want to make sure you take out the batteries whenever you do all this. That way it gives it like a fresh connection on your remote. Take out the batteries, put it back in, unplug this, and then they should sync up together. That's what worked for me. Hopefully it'll work for you. If it does, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.